Free energy generator? How to make it in two ways, if possible, reality or a fraud? The concept of a free energy generator refers to a hypothetical device that would generate unlimited energy without requiring any input or fuel source. However, such a device violates the fundamental principles of physics, particularly the law of conservation of energy, which states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only converted from one form to another. Let's delve into more detail regarding the concept of free energy generators and why they are not considered feasible within the current understanding of physics. The idea behind a free energy generator is to create a device that generates more energy than it consumes, essentially producing an endless supply of energy without the need for any external fuel or input. This concept is often associated with perpetual motion machines, which are machines that can operate indefinitely without any external energy source. The main obstacle to the existence of free energy generators is the law of conservation of energy, also known as the first law of thermodynamics. This fundamental principle states that the total amount of energy within a closed system remains constant. Energy can be converted from one form to another, such as from potential energy to kinetic energy, but it cannot be created or destroyed. According to our current understanding of physics, it is not possible to create a machine that generates more energy than it consumes without violating the law of conservation of energy. Any energy conversion process will inevitably involve some energy losses due to inefficiencies, such as friction, heat dissipation, or electrical resistance. These losses prevent the creation of a perpetual motion machine or a free energy generator. While there have been numerous claims of free energy devices throughout history, none have been scientifically validated or demonstrated to function as claimed. Many of these claims involve pseudoscientific or fraudulent practices. It's crucial to approach such claims with skepticism and rely on scientific evidence and rigorous testing before accepting the validity of any free energy generator. In the field of energy research, scientists and engineers focus on developing more efficient technologies, exploring renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, and finding sustainable solutions to meet our energy needs. These efforts aim to maximize energy efficiency and minimize environmental impact rather than seeking to create energy from nothing. While magnets have fascinating properties and can be used in various applications, they do not violate the fundamental principles of physics, including the law of conservation of energy. Normally, the rumors in YouTube videos, it is claimed that a generator motor set with heavy flywheel link can be a free energy generator. But it's again wrong. The generator motor set converts mechanical energy from the rotation of the flywheel into electrical energy. However, to set the flywheel in motion initially, an external energy source is required. This energy could come from an electrical input to start the motor or from any other external source, such as a human or a fuel-powered engine. The energy stored in the flywheel's rotational motion can be used to power the generator and produce electrical energy. However, the energy input required to spin the flywheel in the first place will always be greater than the energy output obtained from the generator. Energy losses due to friction, air resistance, and other inefficiencies will prevent the system from generating more energy than what is initially supplied. While a heavy flywheel can store rotational energy and act as a temporary energy reservoir, it cannot produce an endless supply of energy on its own. The flywheel would eventually slow down and come to a stop due to energy losses, and additional energy input would be needed to maintain its rotation. Overall, the concept of a free energy generator remains inconsistent with the fundamental principles of physics, and no known device or combination of components can create unlimited energy without an external energy source. Though nanodesi prakashvarsh the rumors in YouTube videos, it is claimed that a generator made from the interaction of pure permanent magnets can be a free energy generator. But it's again wrong. Permanent magnets have a magnetic field and can exert forces on other magnetic objects or conductive materials. However, in order to harness energy from a magnet, you would still need to apply external forces or inputs to create movement or induce changes in the magnetic field. This means that additional energy would be required to manipulate or interact with the magnets, and the total energy output would never exceed the energy input. There have been claims of devices that utilize permanent magnets to create perpetual motion or free energy, but they have been thoroughly debunked. These claims often rely on misunderstandings of magnetic fields, misinterpretations of experimental results, or